This is the Freewell CPL and ND filter system. Now, if I just take this off the camera, you'll see that I'm completely burnt out on the preview monitor here. And this is what the system comprises of. So I actually have a step down ring. So I'm going from a 77mm filter down to a 62, which is the 10 to 20mm thread on the front of this f4 power zoom lens. So this is the CPL and ND, and these are your ND stops here. So you've got 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and you adjust it by turning this front dial. So let's put that back on the camera and I'll show you. I'm shooting in S-Log3 on the Sony A7 IV. I'm at 50th of a second at 5.6 at 640 ISO, which is our base ISO. You can see that I'm flashing 2 stops over. So what I want to do is just adjust to my exposure. So let's go to the 5-stop position. Okay, so we're now 2 stops over. I want it to be 1 stop over, not overexposed by 1 stop. So that's where I want it to be. Okay, so we're happy with that. And so that's the proper exposure for S-Log3. And then we can dial in our CPL. So that is by turning the red dial on the front here. And as you can probably see, the gradual change in the density of that blue sky. So rule of thumb is, this is quite an interesting tip. So if you want to find where the deepest blue sky is and point your camera in that direction, obviously you can eyeball it, but it's easier if you make a right angle with your thumb and index finger, point your index finger at the sun, and then rotate it whilst pointing your finger at the sun. Anything that your thumb is pointing to in the sky is going to be where the deepest blue is. And currently that's there. So that is the CPL and ND. And then I also have the mist filter. So Freewell very kindly sent this over additionally. So this is the glow mist quarter. Let's put that on the camera and see what difference that makes. So that's with, let's just have a look at that. Let's just lighten up that blue a little bit. So that's with, comes off, magnetically attaches, without, with. That was our quick look at this filter system from Freewell. I'll link everything in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.